Hi and welcome everybody. My name is Chris from Teacher and Student, and in this video I will show you how you can create email folders in Gmail. One important thing first, in Gmail folders are called labels, and you can see them in the left hand navigation right under your different inbox departments. So you receive your emails and they might go into the different inbox subcategories, like for example spam, or the one that you've deleted would obviously go into trash. But all these are not labels/folders. They're just default inbox categories that Gmail gives you right from the start. Labels are located right here and are listed in alphabetical order. As you can see, I already have 3 labels, but now together let's create a new one. To create a new label, we simply click on Create New Label here. If you don't see that, you might have to expand the menu by clicking on More. So once we have clicked on Create New Label, we can give the label a name. I'm just gonna say YouTube and click on Create. Straight away, we can see our newly created label in the left-hand navigation. As I said before, labels are displayed in alphabetical order, which can be quite annoying because you can't drag and drop a label to whatever position you like, as you might know it from other email services that you are using. But I will show you a little trick to push a label to the desired position by adding a dot in front of the label name. To change the name of an existing label, you simply hover your mouse over the label and click on the 3 dots on the right side of it. From the selection window, we now click on Edit and we can change the name. In this case, I will just add a dot in front of the existing name, click Save, and what you can see is that my label moved all the way up from the bottom to the top. So unfortunately, you have to play around like this a little bit to get the label structure you actually want. But the dots before the name should definitely help you. An additional way on how you can get the label structured is by creating sublabels like I have it here. So I got this main label and 3 sublabels that are basically subcategories of the main label. To create a sublabel, we simply hover our mouse over an existing label, click on the 3 dots and select Add Sublabel. What you can see now is that the box Nest Label is ticked and the folder that we have just selected is displayed below. If I want to create a sublabel for another label, I can simply select another existing label from the drop-down. But in this case, I want a sublabel for YouTube, so I leave it as it is. And now add a name for my new label, let's say 2023. There we go, and click Create. And you can see the sublabel 2023 that we just created has been attached to the top label YouTube as intended. By the way, to delete a label, you can simply hover your mouse over the label you want to delete, click on the 3 dots and select Remove Label. But to make labels even a bit more structured and neat, we can give each particular label a different color. To do that, we of course again hover over a label, click on the 3 dots and this time select label color here. We can then select one of the given colors or even get a custom color. Just select the color and you can see the label displaying in your selected color. Now let me just quickly explain you how to use labels. And also the reason why Gmail calls labels labels and not folders. Because this is due to the fact that you can take one individual email and put it into multiple labels. In other email services, you can put an email only in one single folder. Let me show you what I mean. We have this email here in our inbox, and we're going to apply a label to that email. To do that, we right click on the email, right click, not left click, and under Label As, we can select any of the labels that we have created. So in this case, I select my first label that we created before, which is YouTube, and click on Apply. Now you can see that a little label got added to the email, and on top of that, the email has been added to the particular label in the left-hand navigation here. Going back to the same email that is still in the inbox, of course, we can add another label by again right-clicking on the email, selecting Label As, and let's take another label, let's say Management, and Apply. Again, you can see the new label has been added next to the existing label, and the email can now also be found in the second label in the left-hand menu. So you can add as many labels as you like to one single email, which gives you great flexibility. What you can also do is just drag and drop the email into a label like this, which automatically adds the label to the email. So this particular email now can be found in 3 different labels. Here, here, and here. And that's how easy it is to set up labels / folders in Gmail. If you liked the video and want more of these, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. Take care and see you again soon.